In today's video, I would love to share the Google Workspace. Google Workspace used to be called Google G Suites in the past, I think few years ago. And what it is if you go to your right upper corner, see the dots, square dots, you open that and see what Google Workspace has. And this is everything that you need to work on your business, your school, your daily budgeting, your daily notes, your brochures, things like that. You have your Google search app right here. You can download and use my business app for the business purposes. You have the YouTube, you have the PlayStation, like for game and everything. So mainly you use Gmail, and this is the best spot. You can come and open that. And I usually don't even go there. I have Gmail right there. I just open that and go to my emails. You can set up meeting with your customers. You can use calendar to set up appointment. This is like worldwide. If you have internet access, you download Google and then you have everything. And mainly I will show you the Google Drive, because if you have Google Drive, that means you have everything, and every file that you use from the Google Workspace, such as the Google Docs. This is what you really need. The Docs, which is like a Word document for the Word Microsoft Office. It's the same thing. You just have to start a new blank, open the new one, and start writing your note, your blog, and anything you want. At the very left top, if you click on the blue square, it's the doc for the Google sign. So you open that and you can see the previous Google Docs you already have saved in here, and it won't go away nowhere unless you delete the Google Docs. And this serves you really well, because wherever you go, if you have internet, you go to your Google account and you go to your Google Docs, you have your documents. They don't go nowhere. So you can keep writing, you can keep taking notes, continue on your work. If you are a student, this is going to be very helpful, because you can save. It saves automatically, and you can also leverage from different function on the upper part right here. You can change the font to whatever you like, the size, the type of the document. You can use the color for the text, anything. You can link, you can insert links, and you can do anything you want. You can insert images. So this is the doc function, just like Word, but you don't have to upload anything. This is where you really continue working on. And the other one is whatever you save, whatever you document on your Word doc, it goes straight to your Drive. So your Drive has your Word doc, your Drive has your spreadsheet, your Drive has the slides. I'll show you where the slides are for presentation. Here, you can open that and start a new blank, or you can go back to the yellow square sign or rectangular sign on the left upper and continue working on your previous presentation or slides. I used those for different purposes in the past. You can add pictures on the side. You can edit as you want. It's just unlimited. And then it saves automatically and it won't go nowhere. If you want to put a name on it for this specific slides, you go to the file and then go down to rename, click on rename, and then you see the blue selected area at the upper corner here, and then that comes automatically from the first sentences that you started writing on. If you want to keep it that way, that's fine, but if you want to change the name, you can deselect, you can select, delete, and put the name, and then enter, and then that's your file name. It won't go nowhere unless you delete that. So everything you do on the slides, it goes right to your Google Drive. Go to your recent, here you go. You see that right there. You can use the calendar function, you can use the photos, you can shop around in the Google Photo. This is the one I already had uploaded, and then it will stay right there. I think the Google Drive is the best thing that you can start with, and then also download the Docs app and then continue working on that. Use the slides for presentation and the sheets just like any spreadsheet to track expenses, and use the calendar to always be programmed and organized. I think this is very, very helpful. If you want to learn more, they have a Google Workspace training. They have Google Workspace training, and then they will show you how you can use the Workspace. The Google itself has the program. You can search and then follow the instruction and learn. It's the best thing that you can do for your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll bring more values in the future videos so you can learn from whatever I have learned from my experience. Don't forget to like if you got some values from this video, and to subscribe my channel so you can have more information when I bring out to you. Thank you very much. See you in the future video.